What is up, fellow riders? Today you're in for a treat, as on my channel I've never created a comparison video. And today we are taking out the Zebra Model 3 versus Eco Drive side by side. Before we continue, are you subscribed to our channel? Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you never miss any of our videos. And let's review the Eco Drive and Zebra Ebike. Let's start off with the body frames. Both Zebra and Eco Drive are aluminium frames and the weight of the Zebra weighs 19.5 kg, whereas Eco Drive weighs 20 kg. Eco Drive is a little heavier due to its battery, which already weighs 2.7 kg itself. The battery capacity of Zebra is 10 Ah, which can go up to 50 km full charge, and Eco Drive is 8 Ah and can go up to 40 km. Zebra uses 250 watts brushless motor and can go up to 25 km per hour, whereas Eco Drive uses 200 watt motor and can only go up to 20 km per hour. Eco Drive rims is 20-inch, whereas Zebra has 24-inch rims. Although on the website, it states that both the wheels are 1.75 inch wide, visually, Zebra wheels looks thinner than Eco Drive's. Feedback from some of the riders is that Zebra's spokes rims are weak and some of their spokes has already broke and needed to be replaced. A quick inspection, it definitely isn't false, as Zebra's spokes rims feels thinner and weaker. Both front and back brakes of Zebra's e-bike are using caliper brakes, whereas Eco Drive uses drum rear brakes and caliper brakes at the front. Oh yeah, and we haven't even mentioned about the height of the e-bikes. In general, Zebra is taller and measures about 115 cm from ground to handlebar. Eco Drive is 100 cm tall from ground to handlebar and would be suitable for majority. To activate the front light for Zebra, you have to press and hold a button for 3 seconds. On the other hand, for Eco Drive, all you need to do is just a push of a button and the light is turned on with no delay. Eco Drive comes with key ignition, whereas Zebra does not. If seated spring is something you must have, Eco Drive will not disappoint. However, Zebra is not losing out as it has pretty sturdy and firm seat for durability. Both the charging port for Zebra Model 3 and Eco Drive is on the left side, and they both use a 1-pin charger. Well, except that it's different, so you can't use Eco Drive's charger for Zebra, and vice versa. Duh. Zebra comes with a speedometer which calculates distance travelled, battery bar left, as well as your current speed that you are travelling, and the Eco Drive only has a battery indicator on how much battery is left. What sets apart from the Eco Drive versus Zebra is that Eco Drive comes with a rear seat, however, Zebra doesn't. If you wish to mount your thermal bag onto Eco Drive, that's still possible by just removing the seat from the Eco Drive. The pedal for Zebra is about 0.2 cm wider than Eco Drive. Probably doesn't make too much of a difference. And not to mention, both e-bikes come with chain guards to ensure that the chain is well protected from any elements. Before you go, would you choose the Eco Drive or Zebra, and why? Or could you recommend an e-bike that you think is even better than these two? Other than GrabFood vlogging and delivery hacks, from time to time I do reviews as well. Why don't you share me on something that you would like me to review next? And you should watch a blue playlist on the top right, or check out my delivery vlogs that I've selected for you. Fellow riders, see you on the streets!